Welcome to Sri Siddheshwara Vidyalaya. Base is 9. Base of a triangle is 9. Height is 5. Another triangle 10 and height is 6. Therefore, we have put here 9 B1 equal to 9, H1 equal to 5, B2 equal to 10 and H2 equal to 6. The main property you have to remember is the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. That is, in another words, we may call it as A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Next, putting the values. We are going to put the values. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal to 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal to 3 upon 4. Similarly, therefore, the answer is the ratios of the areas of triangles is three as to 4. Similarly, we have seen the first example. This is the example. See the example which is in your book. You may write down this, and this is the solution of that example. You have to remember. Sri Siddheshwara Vidyalaya, कुरोली सिद्धेश्वर मधील मी घोडके सर. माझ्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा. असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ मिळण्यासाठी, व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. गणित विषयाचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ या चॅनलवर अपलोड करीत आहेत. धन्यवाद.